Good day, sir. This is my report incorporating technology and adult learning, presented by me, Reynald Yusal, from BTVD Ed FSM 3B. Objective: define the incorporating technology and adult learning, understand the benefits of technology and adult learning, discuss the effective strategies for integration. Incorporating technology into adult learning enhances flexibility, provides access to diverse resources, and support collaboration and self-direct learning through tools like online platform, mobile apps, and interactive multimedia. Ito naman yung mga ini-enhance yung mga flexibility with other resources from support, collaboration, para mas matutunan nila yung mga dapat matutunan gamit yung mga tool like online platform, mobile apps, and interactive multimedia. Benefit of technology in adult learning: increased flexibility. Technology-based learning can be accessed anytime, anywhere, allow adults to integrate education in their busy life. Ito naman yung parang mas ini-increase nila yung mga or anytime mas ma-access nila yung mga flexibility with benefits of technology in adult learning. Enhanced collaboration, online discussion, forum, chat room, and other tools facilitate interaction between learners who may not be able to meet in person, reducing feeling of isolation. Ito naman yung ini-enhance lalo nila yung pakikisama or collaboration with other platform. Personal learning: AI-powered tools and online platform can help tailor content to individual needs, allowing adults to learn in their own pace. Kumbaga, mas napapamadali yung pagiging niya dito. Mas natututunan ng mga adults kung ano yung dapat nilang matutunan with this platform. Greater autonomy: technology provide access to a wide range of material and tools, empowering learners to take control of their own learning process. Ito naman yung mga wide range of material and tools. Kumbaga dito is to learn or to take control with their own learning process, yung hindi minamadali yung mga tinuturo. Dapat alam mo na kung paano ito gawin or gamitin. Effective strategies for integration: use online learning platform like learning management system LMS can host entire courses, allowing learners to work at their own pace and save progress. Ito naman yung mga online platform na mas mapapamadali kasi hindi mo na need gumamit ng ibang platform kasi nga with this strategies this on social media, parang mas mapapamadali ito. Integrate mobile learning: leverage mobile app for quizzes, micro-learning modules, and communication, which is ideal for on-the-go learning. Ito naman yung mga apps na pwedeng gamitin sa mga G-class or yung kung like magpapa-quiz, yung mga dapat gamitin, pwede ito, yung mga mobile learning, which is yung mas mapapadali yung communication. Automate administrative tasks: use technology to streamline processes like scheduling, payment, and recording, keep and free up staff for more student-focused work. Ito naman yung mga administrative task, yung mga kung paano yung pag-process sa schedule, payment, or recording keeping from all the stuff that focuses on work. Thank you.